Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlock new characters in Crossy Road. Whether you are chasing high score or just want to play as your favorite, here's what you need to know. First of all, open the Crossy Road. Then the main way to unlock the character is with prize machine. As you play Crossy Road, you collect the coins. Once you have got 100 coins, tap the machine button and spin it. You will randomly get a new character added to your collection. Let me play the game first. Okay, now you can collect the coin from here. I think you need to watch the ad and you can get the coin after you have watched the ad, or you can get free sometime. It will take some time to finish the ad. Wait till the end. As you can see, my ad has been finished. Now I have got a 20 coin, as you can see. Now to get a coin machine, you need to go to the shop. As you can see below, this is the shop icon in the Crossy Road store, and below you will see the prize machine. This will need 100 coin. As you can see, I have 83. Like this, you can collect the coin by playing the game. Then you can unlock the characters from the prize machine. You can also buy character directly with the real money if you don't want to wait. Some characters are region specific or limited edition, so keep an eye out for special events. As you can see at the store, you can buy it by your credit card. Using credit card, you can unlock this character from here. And there's the fun part, there are hidden and secret characters too. These unlock when you complete special actions in the game, like playing as certain characters and performing unique tasks. For example, you might need to collect specific items or achieve a certain score to reveal them. And that's how you unlock character in Crossy Road. Keep collecting coins, try out the prize machine, and look for those secret challenges. What's your favorite character so far? Let me know in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.